Look at my hibiscus flowers. So beautiful. Today the topic is colors for your garden. So let's see what are the plants that will add many varieties of colors to our gardens. How to add colors to your garden? Today I thought of showing you some of the plants which you can use as colors to your garden, because out of many plants you can bring colors to your garden with these beautiful plants. So what are they? Stay tuned to Tamara's garden. Umbrella plant. Take a look at this beautiful colorful plant. This is such a beauty to your garden. Absolutely beauty of the nature, created by the nature. So these are beautiful plants. This is one of the beautiful indoor plant, triangular variegated one. Pandanus plants. These green and yellows are beautiful to your garden. Another beautiful colorful plant. Look at the shape of the leaf. Wonderful, just amazing. Varieties of croton plants. Dracaena. Here also I have another Dracaena. Umbrella plant. Colorful leaves. So there are many plants out of which we see beautiful leaves in our gardens. What are they? Look at these beautiful Alocasia varieties. Here I have a couple of plants. Here I have some Aglaonema. So beautiful. They add so much of beauty to our gardens. And here are the snowflake plant. This is also a variety of Aglaonema. Another Alocasia variety. Look at the beautiful nerves of these plants. When talking about beautiful varieties of leaves, look at these devil's backbone plants, which you can easily grow from stems. Amazing leaves. Look at these Syngonium plants and their colors. And the Coleus plants. They are wonderful colors because they are the most beautiful colorful plants for our gardens. So friends, see, there are many colors for our gardens. Green and white, green and yellow, they are all painted by the nature. These are wandering Jew and their colors are amazing. Bird nest plant. This is a gardenia plant. This is the variegated gardenia. Look at the color of the leaves. So beautiful. I brought it simply because I love the flower and also because this is a fragrant plant, and the color of the plant also beautiful and attractive. Varieties of croton plants. Dracaena. Here also I have another Dracaena. Amazing colors of nature. These colors are done by the Mother Nature, and we also can add them in our gardens. Beautiful colorful spider plants, green and white.